Namaskar, this is Dr. Tapasvi and I will be sharing my ideas on the selection of the right journal for your publication in one of the two sessions. This will help you in making a right decision on the journal from the UGC care list in which you should publish. UGC care lists contain some titles that are no more active for various reasons. Besides, from among Group 2 lists, there are some titles that UGC does not recognize. There are some predatory journals too that you must avoid. The open access or paywall journals make your choice more complicated. In another session, I would speak on the research productivity measurement. I would share with you how the scientometric techniques help in assessing the research of an individual or a group. These techniques include publication count, citations, and citation-based tools such as H-index, M-index, etc. I would also tell you something about the attention score that is gaining popularity now. Thank you.
Friends, Namaste. As a part of the proposed workshop, I will be talking on e-resources for academic research. During this talk, I will be covering bibliographic and citation databases and harvesters, both commercial and open access, which facilitate search facility and also give access to the full text of books, journals, conference papers, thesis, e-reports, etc. Apart from other sources, I will discuss at length about sources like Bielefeld Academic Search Engine, Directory of Open Access Journals, Directory of Open Access Books, special features of Google Scholar, Internet Archive, Gutenberg Project, preprint servers, institutional repositories, Chinese National Knowledge Infrastructure, United Nations data, IMF library, and a host of other sources. I will also throw some light on platforms of important commercial publishers like Science Direct, Springer Link, Emerald Insight, and Informa T&F. I also plan to give a detailed demo of quite a good number of open access resources as well commercial resources, including Web of Science, Scopus, etc., especially for generating research quality reports covering H-index of an institution or an individual, etc. I hope to see you during the workshop. Thank you. Bye.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Gopakumar, former University Librarian at Goa University and the head of the Department of Library and Information Science. During the 6-day national online workshop being conducted by the Providence Women's College, Calicut and Laura and Ed Research Associates from 18th to 23rd of December 2021, I will be taking part as a resource person. I will be dealing 2 sessions. In the first session, I will be talking about creating a reading list prior to research. A reading list will provide you knowledge about the availability of literature on his or her topic of research. In the second session, I will be talking about how MS Word can be used for drafting a research report. In this session, I will be dealing with how to create contents page, list of figures, list of graphs, citations and bibliography, etc. Both the sessions will be very useful for faculty members, research scholars and library professionals. I welcome you all to join this workshop. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Vishwanath GS, Assistant Librarian, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada. During the 6 days online national workshop organized by Providence Women's College, Calicut and Laura and Ed Research Associate, I will be joining as a resource person. My topic will be on enhancing your academic research visibility, in which I will be discussing about the different academic research management profiles, author identifiers, and some tools like ORCID, Google Scholar, and how you can use them to showcase your research visibility to all. So I welcome you all to this informative workshop. Thank you.